Hello everyone, welcome to my course. I am Amit. In this video, we will going to see how you can create a data frame in the Python and let's see that. So here I have imported this pandas library and here I am going to save the data. So I have written like pd.series and you just need to specify the value in order to save means how you want to save the data. Like I want to save a data in the form of table. So I pass it here name Prakhar, item purchase paid, cost is equal to this one. These are the three different columns. And inside this single series, I have created a single row. So it will be a single row where you have a three column. It will be like this. Similarly, you will create a second variable and save the data. Third variable, save the data. Now, in order to print the data frame, you just need to write df is equal to pd.data frame, purchase 1, purchase 2, purchase 3, and the index, whatever index you want to give it. If you are not okay with this store 1, you can take it as a 1, you can take it as a 2, and you can take it as a 3. And let's run this. And when you type df.head, it will going to show you the top element. So in this video, we have seen how you can create a data frame and you can save this data frame. So it is very simple. You just need to create a variable and just imagine how you want to save the data. So this pd.series function is help you to save the series over data in the data frame. And here this name item cost is your column name and these are the different value of that column. You can see if you want to save it here, you just need to give the name here, Prakhar iPad, and this is the name, and this is your column name. So here I have given it. Similarly, when you create a new variable, pd.series, this will be the new row data. You can see name, item, cost, and this all value will be assigned to the next row. And similarly for the third one. Now, how you are going to print it? You just need to call the data frame function of the pandas in one set. It is just like an array. So in this square bracket, you need to pass it the name of a variable that you want to print it. And second is the index, whatever index you want to pass it. Earlier you might have seen it is store one, store two was there. Let me correct it that itself. Let's see. Okay, let me save it here itself. Store one, store two, store three. So now when you run this, it will going to change your index. See here. So in this way, I've shown you how you can play with the data frame, how you can create a data frame. It is similar to the reading the CSV file, or it is similar to the file that you read it. So when you read the CSV file, Excel file, text file, they also create a data frame like this. So in this video, we have seen that how to see the data frame. And when you want to see the particular row, you can simply write it df.loc store to. So it will going to give you the whole data for the store 2. So you see Shubham monitor like this. Similarly, if you want to see it for a store 1, you just need to give the name. LOC is used in case when you know the name of an index. And ILOC is used when we give it index value. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this LOC is used when you want to give the store value, means when you know this store value, and ILOC is used when you use index 0, 1, 2. Let me change it here. Let's take 2 and change it to this ILOC and see whether it is working. So see, it is printing the last one, right? So in this way, we have seen this, how you can play with the data frame, how you can perform an operation on the data frame with the help of pandas library.